Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. This is another non-phone customer service position. Sometimes when it is through chat, email, and those different things, and you can take the time to really formulate the written word rather than just talking off the top of your head, it makes for better customer interactions. You can take a step back and not have to immediately deal with those irate customers. So sometimes non-phone customer service jobs are the best type of customer service to be in. So today's job lead is from the company Clio. Now, Clio makes a financial app. They are fighting every day to help the world's financial health by building a beloved AI that empowers people to make better financial decisions. I have personally not used Clio, but I have seen it demonstrated. And what it is it's an app that you download and you can attach your bank account to it. And it looks at your spending patterns. And then you can literally voice activate, talk to it kind of like it is Siri, and ask it how much money you can spend today on going out to eat. It helps you set budgets like, Clio, how much should I save for my upcoming vacation? And it helps you really set budgeting goals and keep your spending on track. It also has a savings feature built into it, I believe, where you can move money to your savings account. But they are looking for a customer service champion, and this is to work their chat. So a little bit about what you'll be doing. You'll be live chatting with the users to help them on their journey with the Clio app. You'll help users get the best chance of getting Clio to give them a salary advance. You'll serve the users that use their credit builder card. You'll interact with the community of users to help as the company understand the user base, and you'll keep an eye on any trends that you're seeing and escalate those. Now, this is a part-time position. It says based remotely from your home in the U.S. One thing to note, this is for those based in Tennessee only. But if you are based out of Tennessee, this is part-time between 20 and 25 hours a week. They do let you kind of set your own schedule and be flexible, but they need someone to be flexible within the hours of 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. in the Eastern time zone, since that's where Tennessee is, I believe. And the salary is $18 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.